I'm the founder of the Harmony Party and also a candidate for governor in 2026. But today I'm speaking to you as a movement builder. I have a bold ask. I'm seeking $1 million values-driven funding to take the People First movement to scale. Not for political games, not for vanity, but for infrastructure, grassroots organizing, signature collection, legal support, digital tools, paid canvassers, event crews. I can't do this alone. I'm also asking for leadership, real leadership. I need someone who can take the reins of the Harmony Party, an executive director or a movement captain, so I can step forward as a candidate with clarity while ensuring the party grows beyond me. I am calling in leaders who will walk with, not above me. I don't want handlers. I want partners, builders, strategists, listeners, vision holders. I need drivers. Yes, literally drivers to help me get across this beautiful state. One signature, one conversation at a time. And I need a supervising attorney who believes in clean politics, ballot access, and the rule of law. Someone who will stand guard as we do this the right way. This isn't about perfection. It's about people. It's about progress that's not polished, but possible. If this speaks to your spirit, if you've ever asked yourself, what can I really do? The answer might be this. Right now, with me. Let's go create something historic. DM me. Now, for real, don't ask me on a date or anything like that. Call me, but don't cramp call me or hang up and stay silent. Let's move. Visit FatimaFernandezforColorado.com. Down below, once you get into my website, scroll all the way down to the bottom. There is a blood drive campaign for starting now until the end of next year. We're going to do a Colorado-wide blood drive for life. Also, once you scroll down below on my website, you're going to notice the movement rides. So if you need a ride, just click on it, add your name, the location, and pay the fee, and I will send you a driver. Currently, I have 2 drivers. I'm looking for 10 more. Yes, please look through my entire website and learn about who I am and why I do what I do. I have 4 initiatives that I'd like to get done. There is an immigration pilot program that I'm thinking about, and I need leaders for that too. And I'm looking for immigration organizations and immigration attorneys who want to help me move this pilot program forward powerfully. And I'm also looking for leaders who can help me reform one school in DPS, pilot a new vision for how we educate our students and how we pay our teachers. Because after 100 years, if we can't pay our teachers right and well, we're doing something wrong. So here's my number, 720-937-4524. Thank you.